Can restrained spirits break free? Are free spirits a product of nature or nurture? Nietzsche, in his view of the genesis of the genius, believed that free spirits develop through facing challenges and utilizing their creativity to escape, similar to how prisoners use any means necessary to break out of confinement. A disability or handicap may also prompt one to adapt and use alternative methods, resulting in the freedom of the spirit as a form of compensation. Human, v. 231. Another path towards achieving freedom of spirit involves committing oneself to a cause so deeply that there is no room for conformity. By firmly binding the heart, one can grant the spirit more liberties, beyond IV 78. Nonetheless, becoming a free spirit is an elusive goal that cannot be achieved solely through determination. We may inadvertently avoid struggle because we yearn for a better life filled with ease and love, which can be likened to a tempting vice, beyond 227. However, we can utilize our resources such as courage, curiosity, and will to power to overcome the obstacles in our lives and, when necessary, call upon our demons to help our God. Nevertheless, the outcome is never guaranteed, as becoming a free spirit is a gradual process composed of multiple actions, some of which may not be voluntary or intentional. It is essential that we do not put too much pressure on ourselves when seeking to achieve freedom of spirit. We must approach this goal with a pinch of salt and avoid taking ourselves too seriously to avoid becoming sanctimonious or dull. Every virtue tends towards stupidity. Every stupidity tends towards virtue, beyond 227. We should bear in mind that virtues are simply tools that serve a purpose, and we should not become enslaved to them. All estimations have a perspective. Human, Preface 6. To become a free spirit, one must be free from all goals, including the aim of becoming a free spirit and the desire to preserve independence, beyond I 41. In his notes, Nietzsche emphasized the absolute necessity of total liberation from ends, and that only the innocence of becoming gives us the greatest courage and the greatest freedom. Will 3, 787. In conclusion, becoming a free spirit is a complex process that can be achieved through a variety of means. While hardship and emotional commitment to a cause can contribute to this goal, it is important to not become enslaved to virtues and to embrace the innocence of becoming to achieve true freedom of the spirit.